Hello people, today we are going to walk the Mili Gorge. They say it's a little bit dangerous, but well, it didn't rain, so I think we will be alright. We're just gonna see, we'll try, and if we cannot make it we will turn back. It's an interesting walk through this gorge with a lot of old buildings, old mills. We will just follow the signs. You can't miss the signs. There are two ways doing this gorge. One way is you start in zero video and then you walk up, then afterwards you go down again, or you start up, walk down and go up again. But I think the most easy way is to start down. The gorge is really a green oasis, filled with lots of different trees, birds and other animals. It's a nice piece of nature. Beautiful place here. On the slope of the gorge you have several fruit trees, like oranges, lemon and mandarin. Also I've spotted some banana trees down at the bottom. It's very green. Small aqueduct and water running everywhere. A cave serves as a stable for the horse. Part of the old water mill, one of the many mills that you can find here in the gorge. Stone walls with a crystalline layer. The gorge is well maintained. The path is good. There are bridges sometimes to cross the water, and it's an easy walk. Everyone can do it, also small children or older people. It's not difficult. The remnants of an old church, the Church of St. Nicholas. Vaguely you can still see the frescoes on the wall. The ruins from the old water mills. Here you got some basins. Because there is shadow everywhere, this gorge is very good to walk in the summer, the hot summer, because you are covered by trees, so you don't get touched by the sun. And if you are hot, you can just cool down a little bit in the small pools in the running water. It's running the whole year through. It's very quiet up here. I'm the only person in the world at the moment. A small church cut out in the rocks. One of the windmills has been restored, so the building is complete again, and also you see the stone inside, the milling stone. Another old ruin. old cupboard on the first floor, but the floor is gone. Another cupboard. If you get higher up, nature gets denser and path is a little bit more difficult. That's the second half of the trail after the restaurant. We left the gorge above, on top, to the road. So now we are returning back and walk down again. The restaurant halfway the gorge. They have a very ingenious system for the supplies. They have this cable car crossing all the way to the other side of the gorge. Hi, it's me, the narrator. My name is Roger Sterk. Please, people, if you're man and woman enough to carry your shit down, be man and woman enough to carry your shit up again. What do you think? Are you stupid? Are you a cow or something? Do you think a garbage disposal truck is coming here every week? Just look at this. Just a nice place. Garbage everywhere. Come on. Carry your shit down, carry your shit up again. Please. Well, the bag is too heavy for me to take away. It's full with water and lemonade and other shit. But I took everything on top and I cleaned the area around it. So please, people, take your shit home and don't put it here in the nature. So I'm going to take this bag with me, carry it down the mountain. And lower there is another one that's full, so that I will also try to empty small. But this one I cannot carry, so I have to leave it, but I try to close it off. Take your shit with you, please.